My name's Matt Kaiser.
Yes?
I was just curious about a Facebook post you posted on my daughter.
I don't know what you just want.
The daughter that she was at the pool here today with one of her girlfriends.
And you took her picture. She's an underage child.
I didn't take a picture. There's cameras at the pool.
No, you said you will post it on Facebook.
I
You
said
threatened her and you followed her to the clubhouse. So you intimidated,
I said.
followed children.
I'm going to tell you one thing. Okay, first of all, Chris Nacco, very good friend of mine.
Yes. And you lied on Facebook.
You stalked my daughter.
Yeah.
Follow the rules.
Chris Nacco will be talking to you.
Yeah.
That's okay.
Yeah,
Follow
tough
the
guy.
rules.
Fuck you.
Follow the rules.
Fuck you.
Follow the
Yeah,
rules.
you're a tough guy.
I'm not a
Keyboard
tough guy.
assassin, huh?
What?
Keyboard assassin. You're not so tough now, are you, Bronx, New York?
Where do you see me? What are you talking about?
You're not too tough, are you?
Who says I'm tough? When did I
Keyboard assassins? The girl's a fucking 12 years old.
say that again?
She's 12 years old.
What did you say before that? I did
She's
what?
12 years old.
I know she told me
You
she was
pervert,
Yeah.
stalking her, trailing her down.
You see what?
It's none of your fucking business.
Please let me explain to you.
No, you have a picture of my daughter on your phone. That's true.
No, I do not.
And you followed her. Stop.
No, you stop.
That's my daughter. He followed my daughter to the clubhouse. My daughter is
Oh
underage.
shit, my daughter. My grandma, we've lived here for 17 fucking years.
All right, listen. Let
They did.
Why? Because they didn't want to bring her into
You
it.
know what?
Her name's Joyce Manning. That's 10 houses on the right. Yeah.
Okay, yeah,
Don't
well,
fucking
you-
post things on Facebook, buddy.
Yeah.
Did I post her name?
Don't
Oh my
fucking
God.
post
Don't
anything. Deal with
threaten.
my daughter
Did
on
I
Facebook.
post-
I'll fucking kill you.
Did I
I'll
post her
fucking
name?
kill you.
Did I post her name?
Don't do it again.
I
Don't
did
do
not
it again.
post her name, and I did not post her
Correct the
picture.
story, too.
Yeah, correct the narrative.
Correct the narrative.
What
That's a
narrative?
tough guy.
My grandmother lives, my
And I
mother-in-law
asked her
lives.
what? And I asked
Joyce Manning!
You
Joyce Manning!
You
10
don't
houses on
have
the
to
right.
talk to you.
Would you
She's a
please let me?
minor.
Would you please
No,
let me?
change the fucking narrative on
Listen,
this Facebook.
I'm not changing anything.
You're not?
Stop
Chris
it.
Nacco will stop by, dickhead.
Hell, and I'll be here all day,
You're a
jerk
big
off.
pussy.
You're an asshole. You're a real fucking asshole.
3612 Morgan Bluff Court. Anytime you want to talk, big guy.
Listen, I'm not a tough guy.
You're Bronx, New
I'm
York,
not a tough guy.
Bronx, New York.
Go fuck
you,
yourself.
You pussy.